In this video, I'm going to explain about creating the course for the clubs. In order to create the course, you need to click the Add Course which I teach for the academic year 22-23, this button. And you need to do everything manually now. So for the subject, we don't have anything here. So we need to select. And to create the course for the clubs, we need to select the interest group, because we don't have any clubs courses here, and even though you have the club courses here, these courses are for the timetable course, so the course that were assigned by the admin. But if you don't have the club as a timetable assigned, you will not see that one at the bottom of the page. So you need to create that one yourself, and you need to select the interest group. And the name of the group you can specify here, like let's say Math Club, and you can write here the short name. It's up to you. You can select the standards of the subject from the list of the standards, or just keep that one for now. You can select the image here. Everything is same as before. And here you need to specify the class now. So if you click the choose, so you can choose here the one class or two class. It's according to your club. And let's say that I'm gonna select here like all the four class here. So I will show that students will be selected from the 10A, 10B, 9A, and B classes. And students group, you can also specify which students will be attending the course. So it's automatically selecting the all students, but you can specify which students will be attending the course. And if you have the list that is short like here, it's easy to see all the students, but you might have here a list of different classes, and you will be scrolling down here and it will be hard to find the students. So you can just write here the names of the students, and it will be easier just finding the students by the search for the student part here. For example, I will select 2 students from the search and some students from just the list. You can specify the group if there are any groups for the club, but it's not necessary to specify it. Also, you can copy from another course. For example, if there are any clubs, the math class from the previous years, or another like courses that students were attending the same club, then you can just copy that one. And for students it's enough. We need to just save it, and you can create a copy. Okay, it was the same as before. And here's the new thing that we need to specify, the course timetable. As we're creating the course for the interest group, and the course is not from the timetable, we need to create the timetable for our course. So we need to add the lessons. So if we click here, we will see another place for creating the timetable of the course. And here will be the course name, Math Club. Here's the teacher. Here is the day. So the day will specify like once per week or 5 times per week. So from Monday to Friday, every day, or you can just select the Monday, let's say, or another day. I will select here Friday, for example. And I will show that the period. So if you have periods at school, you need to be aware of the beginning and ending of the time. So if you select here 7, then it will go to the time according to your school. If you want to change to the time range, you also can select that the starting time of the course is particularly, let's say, 3 p.m. And ending time also you can specify like for 45 minutes or for another timing. And also you can specify the part of the day. So it will be showing here the morning, or afternoon, or the evening time. I will select the time range, so I will show here that the course is starting 3 p.m. And ending at the 3:45 p.m. Validity of the course, so it will be starting with the 13th of June and ending, let's say I can specify that it's for 1 month. Ending of the course is 29th of the July. And the repetition, it means that every Friday weekly, or every Friday, but once per 2 weeks, once per 3 weeks, once per 4 weeks, etc. So I will show that it's every Friday, and I will add here the classroom as well, so students will be aware of where to go and where to find the teacher. So if you click OK, then the class every week on Friday at 3 p.m. till 3:45 p.m. will occur here, and it's showing also the range, like between 30th of June till 29th of July. You will have the classes here, and also you can add the new class. For example, for another Friday, maybe every Monday you also have, maybe not every week, maybe once per 2 weeks, etc. So you need to add that one manually yourself. And if I save it now, I will see that, okay, I have the class, and 30th of June is Friday, so I have here class, and it's the class of the math club, so it's starting with 3 o'clock and with the 3:45. So it's showing the INT is the interest group. So this interest group is, you need to be aware of that the interest group is some kind of the club, or the group with the kind of specific interest at your school. And this group will come to you as you are assigned for this one as a teacher, or you have created yourself. Now you are aware of how to create a course for the club, and the next video will be explaining about the course with the components.